Hey y'all, so I'm coming back with just another video, and I went to Deer Crossing Antiques and Collectibles in Mammoth Springs, Arkansas. It's between Mammoth and Hardy, but let me just show you the one thing I got there. So, it's an Athearn Blue Box, as you can see. And in brand new condition. Still in pristine condition. As you can see, the original price, $2. Maybe if it would focus. Focus. Give me a minute. Dang thing's not wanting to focus, so it's a Pearl Brewing Company car. Let me go ahead and grab it. Brand new. It didn't have the seal, but it's still in brand new condition. Speck of dust. Box is in brand new condition. You can see some rust on it. That's from the years of it just sitting in a hobby shop or flea market. But Pearl Brewing. You can see nice detail on it. Got the walkway, plug door, boxcar. You have the detail on the bottom. Got your regular Athearn horn hooks on it. So, yeah. That's gonna be it for today. Hope you all enjoyed, and peace out. First, let me just go ahead and get this in the box for you. As you can see, it's a little bit big for it. Ha, there we go. Just gotta fit just right.